Let us try to answer the question number 5, which is twice a number increased by 15 is equal to 41. What is the number? A, 10, B, 13, C, 26, D, 28. Okay, so ang una nyong gagawin dito kapag ganito yung question is to construct an algebraic expressions or equations that is related to the question. So from this, I constructed twice a certain number. Ayan, ito siya, that's 2x. Increase, that's plus. Then yung 15 is equal to, ito siya, 41. What is the number? So that is the value of our x. So from this, we're going to solve 2x plus 15 equals 41. So definitely ito siya. Isolating the constant term from the left side, which is 15. So mag-insert lang ako ng negative 15. Ito siya. And then this one. Then after that, 15 minus 15. So ang remaining dyan, that's 2x. Okay? Then 41 minus 15, that's 26. Pag nakarating kayo dito sa part na to, automatically that you need to divide the given value of x, which is 2. So 26 divided by 2. Ayan, 26 divided by 2. Then 26 divided by 2. So x is equal to 13. Therefore, correct answer natin dito sa part na to is letter B po. Follow my talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.